happens by the stream. We can see 5 children over a bridge, standing on the bridge. The bridge is over the stream, and the color of the bridge is, we can see it's bricks. We can see red color of bricks and white boundary. So first one is Wilma, then comes Chips, then comes Bill, and then comes Viv. And behind them there's a little boy who's the main character of the ORT series. He's Kipper. So Kipper seems to be scared. His hands are stretched against the wall and he's leaning against the wall. I don't know why he's scared. All the children are looking down. What are they looking at? Come, let's find out. Let's turn on to page number 1. We can see Mom and Dad are sitting on the rock. Here they are by the stream, and the children are busy playing. You can see behind. And Floppy is sleeping. Mom and Dad are sitting on a rock. Dad is wearing the brown color of sweater and pant, gray color of pant, and shoes and socks. And Mom is wearing the jeans and white sweater. And the Mom and Dad are having juice. They have some 2 glasses of juice and some eatables in front of them. Plates and cups and saucers, and there's a box behind, a storage box. We can see 3 children in the picture. You can see a park. Floppy sleeping. Mom's sandals can be seen. Let's go on to page number 2. Let's see what's happening. Which place is this? So over here we can see a bridge. It is in the form of a tunnel. We can see that the stream is flowing through the tunnel. We can see 4 children, Viv, Chip, and Wilma. We can't see Kipper. Where's Kipper? We can't see Kipper. The children play by the stream. We can see Beth is all over the bridge. She's standing on the bridge and she's watching from there. Over here we can see that all the children have climbed up the bridge and they're throwing sticks in the water, the branches of some trees. They are throwing it in the water and all of them are looking down. On the next page we can see, let's turn the page, and over here we can see that all of them are busy watching down. Chip, Wilma, Wolf, and Bill. We can see Kipper, he's trying to climb up the wall and his teddy is in his hands. You can see that he is short in height, and because he is the smallest and the youngest one, so he doesn't have so much of height. So maybe he is not able to look, and all of them are also on their toes. You can see. This is a bridge. And over here you can see that Kipper's daddy has fallen down in the stream and Biff is trying to get it. Wilma is holding Biff's hand and Chip is behind, and Biff is also behind. Kipper is saying, "Oh, my daddy." You can see a butterfly. We can see Floppy behind. And "Get Teddy," said Kipper. Biff couldn't get Teddy. Now let's turn on the page and see whether Biff gets Teddy or not, and what happens to Kipper. Now on this page we can see Mom couldn't get Teddy. We can see Chip at the last, then Biff is holding on to Wilma. Wilma is holding on to Mom's hand, and Mom is holding a stick and trying to get Teddy from the water. And Kipper is saying, "Get my Teddy, Mom." Floppy is looking at them. Then over here we can see that the last try was all of them were trying to get Teddy. The last attempt is of Dad. Dad is holding a stick in his hand. Mom is holding on to Dad's shirt. And Wilma is holding on to Mama. Rick is holding on to Wilma. Then comes Chip. Then comes Love. Then comes Kipper. Kipper is watching all of them. "Oh, I want Teddy," said Kipper. Dad couldn't get Teddy. Now let's see what happens. Does he get Teddy or not? Oh yes, splash, and Dad fell down in the water. Dad fell down in the stream, kept on saying, ooh, ooh. Octopus has both his hands on his mouth and splash, splash, that is the water. Let's turn on to the last page. This is the last page of the story. I'm a frogman, said Dad, because a frog is sitting on his head. As Dad fell in the stream, he got Teddy at last, and a frog seems to sit on his head. You can see a frog of green color sitting on Dad's head because Dad fell in the stream, and in the stream there are frogs and small animals. So a frog is sitting on Dad's head, and all of them are laughing. Did you like the story? If you did, so like, comment, and share. Good, now let's have some tricky words. Some tricky words are those words which are said by reading. So they are they, he, by, T-H-E, the, and I. T-H-E-Y is they, H-E, he, B-Y, by, T-H-E, the, and I. These are all tricky words. They are spoken as they are seen. So you have to learn them by heart. Okay, now there are some other words which are read like that. Now we can see see, s-e, see. Second word is rock, rock. Third word is sat, s-a-t, sat. Fourth word is fell, fell. Fifth word is mom, mom. Sixth word is and. Seventh word is dad, dad. Eighth word is stick, stick. So practice these words and see how you can blend these words out. See, rock, sat, fell, mom, dad, and stick. Practice them, and if you like it, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.